Aridity is increasing in drylands worldwide due to ongoing climate change. This ongoing aridification of our planet will exacerbate the water deficit already experienced by drylands, albeit the consequences of this climatic change for their biota and the ecosystem services they deliver are poorly understood. A study led by the Dryland Ecology and Global Change Laboratory of the University of Alicante and published in Science provide new insights on the impacts of increases in aridity on dryland ecosystems. In this study, the authors evaluated whether increases in aridity exerts gradual or abrupt and discontinuous changes in dryland ecosystems worldwide. Using the largest dataset compiled to the date, the researchers evaluated how more than 20 ecosystems attributes and functions respond to the large aridity gradients that can be naturally found across drylands worldwide. All the ecosystem attributes evaluated respond in a non-gradual manner to increases in aridity. Observed changes tend to group in three particular thresholds found at aridity levels of 0.54, 0.7, and 0.8. When the first threshold is crossed, a non-linear drop in vegetation productivity occurs, forcing the vegetation to adapt to water deficit by, for example, exhibiting tough and small leaves that allow plants to endure drought conditions. Once the second threshold is crossed, soils experience abrupt losses in fertility and microbial activity. This also changes the way in which plants communicate with soils and produce a shift of vegetation towards shrub-dominated ecosystems. Finally, when the last threshold is crossed, the cover and richness of perennial vascular plants decreases abruptly, turning ecosystems into deserts. Around 20% of emerged lands may cross one or several of these thresholds by 2100. This will reduce the capacity of drylands to provide ecosystem services such as soil fertility and biomass production, which are essential for the more than 2 billion people living in drylands.